Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Here's an expanded and detailed script about the Time Farm Airdrop and its potential impact on the cryptocurrency landscape. Time Farm Airdrop, the ultimate guide to earning $2 tokens. The cryptocurrency space is buzzing with excitement over the highly anticipated Time Farm Airdrop, an event that promises to reward active participants with the platform's native token, $2. With its innovative approach to combining user engagement and cryptocurrency incentives, Time Farm is positioning itself as a game-changer in the decentralized finance, DeFi, and rewards ecosystem. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or a newcomer looking for your next big opportunity, here's everything you need to know about Time Farm, the airdrop, and the potential for $2 in the market. What is Time Farm? Time Farm is a cutting-edge platform designed to merge daily user activities with cryptocurrency earning opportunities. The platform revolves around its native token, $2, which serves as the primary medium of exchange and reward within its ecosystem. The platform offers a unique value proposition. Users can earn tokens by participating in farming, staking, and special daily combo events. These activities are gamified, making Time Farm more engaging than traditional DeFi platforms. Additionally, Time Farm incorporates NFT, non-fungible token, rewards and other gamified elements to encourage long-term user engagement. Key features of Time Farm: daily tasks and activities. Earn rewards by completing simple activities like farming and staking. Combo events. Participate in combo events to unlock exclusive bonuses and larger rewards. NFT integration. Users can earn and trade unique NFTs, adding another layer of value to the ecosystem. Burning mechanisms. To maintain scarcity and drive value, Time Farm incorporates periodic token burns. How to participate in the airdrop? Joining the Time Farm airdrop is straightforward, ensuring accessibility for both newcomers and experienced users. Here's a step-by-step guide. Create an account. Visit the official Time Farm website and register for a new account. Ensure your email and other contact information are accurate to receive updates. Complete KYC verification. To comply with regulations and ensure fair distribution, Time Farm requires all participants to complete a Know Your Customer (KYC) process. This step typically involves verifying your identity through official documents. Perform airdrop qualifying tasks. Invite friends. Use your referral link to invite others to join the platform. Engage in daily farming activities. Consistently farm and stake within the ecosystem. Complete challenges. Participate in special challenges and events designed to reward top performers. Monitor your rewards. Rewards are calculated based on your activity level, with top contributors earning a higher share of the $10 million tokens. Airdrop details. What you need to know. The Time Farm airdrop is structured to ensure fair distribution and maximize user engagement. Here are the essential details. Total token pool. A total of $10 million tokens will be distributed during the airdrop phase. Distribution period. The distribution process will occur over several weeks, allowing participants to accumulate tokens gradually. Reward allocation. The number of tokens each user receives will depend on their activity level and task completion. Early adopters and long-term users will receive additional bonuses as part of Time Farm's loyalty incentives. Why Time Farm matters. The Time Farm platform stands out in the crowded crypto landscape for its innovative approach to combining gamification, user rewards, and decentralized finance. By focusing on user engagement and integrating NFTs, the platform creates a dynamic ecosystem where participants are consistently incentivized to remain active. Additionally, Time Farm's tokenomics, which include burning mechanisms and staking rewards, help drive scarcity and utility for $2. This positions the token as not just a reward but a potentially valuable digital asset in the long term. Price prediction for $2. The price of $2 will depend on several factors, including platform growth, market adoption, and broader crypto trends. Here's an analysis. Initial price expectations. Once $2 is listed, it's likely to start at a speculative price of $0.005 to $0.01, driven by early trading and demand from airdrop recipients. Midterm price, 2024 to 2025. With 10 million tokens being distributed and the introduction of token burning mechanisms, the supply of $2 will gradually decrease. Coupled with the growing utility of the token in farming, staking, and NFT transactions, analysts predict the price could rise to $0.015 to $0.02 by mid-2025. Long-term potential. As the platform matures and attracts a larger user base, $2 could establish itself as a valuable utility token within the DeFi and rewards ecosystem. Prices beyond 2 cents are plausible if Time Farm successfully integrates additional features and expands its reach globally. Factors influencing $SECOND's growth. Increased utility. The token's integration into farming, staking, and NFT rewards will drive organic demand. Burning mechanisms. By reducing the circulating supply, token burning events will create scarcity, potentially increasing value over time. Market trends. A bullish cryptocurrency market could further boost the price of $2, especially if Time Farm establishes itself as a leader in the rewards space. Community engagement. A strong and active community can contribute significantly to the success and adoption of Time Farm. How to prepare for the airdrop and listing. Stay informed. Follow Time Farm's official channels for updates on the airdrop and listing date. Maximize your rewards. Engage consistently on the platform to earn as many $2 tokens as possible before the airdrop ends. Plan your strategy. Decide whether to hold or trade your $2 tokens based on market conditions and your investment goals. Participate in community discussions. Join forums and social media groups to connect with other Time Farm participants and gain insights into the platform's development.